Hello, good morning friends. Welcome to our storytelling workshop. Hope all of you are doing well, right? I'm here to tell you a wonderful story. Okay? I'm your friend Shoma. So, tell me, you all are enjoying your summer holiday, right? Yesterday in my dream, some angels came to me and told me that you all wants to listen a story. Is it true? Oh, really? So, how many of you wants to listen a story? Raise your hand. Oh, all of you. Very good. So, let's start. So, today I'm going to tell you a very interesting story of a little princess like you all. Okay? So, enjoy the story. Okay? Let's start. Little Princess Story. I don't want to wash my hands. Once upon a time, there was a little princess. She loved getting dirty. Yay! Whole day she plays with her friends outside. And after coming back to her palace, she found on her table a delicious piece of a cake. She ran over there to grab that, but her mother, Queen, said, "Wash your hand before you eat that." "Why?" she asked. Her mother said, "Because you have been playing outside." No. Unwillingly, she washed her hand and again started playing with her pets. And then her cook said, "Wash your hands." "Why?" said the little princess. "Because you have been playing with the scarves and your pets, and dry them properly." "Oh no, not again," she said. After some time, she went to washroom and her father king said, "Wash your hand." Anna said, "I have washed them twice." "And you have to wash it again." "Why?" "Because you have just come out from the washroom." "Achoo!" "Wash your hand," said the maid. "I washed them after playing outside. I washed them after playing with dogs. I washed them after getting on my washroom. I washed them after sneezing. Why? Said the little princess. "Because of germs and nasties, dear," said the maid. "What are germs and nasties?" said the little princess. "They are horrible," said the maid. "Horrible?" "Yes, they are horrible. They live in the dirties." "Oh my God, dirties?" "Yes. And on the animals." "Animals?" "Yes. And in the sneezes." "Sneezes also?" "Yes. And they can get into your food and then into your tummy, and then they make you ill, very ill." "Oh my God, what do germs and nasties look like?" said the little princess. "Worse than crocodile," said the maid. "Oh no, but I have got no crocodile on my hand. See? Germs and nasties are smaller than crocodile. They are too small to see," said the maid. "I'd better wash my hand again," said the little princess. "Yay! Do I have to wash my hands after washing my hands? Don't be silly, dear, said the maid. Now eat your cake. Yay! From now onwards, every day, I will wash my hand properly. So, have you washed your hand? What do you understand from the story? Tell me. So, always wash your hand, okay, before eating. It's very good and healthy habit, okay? So, keep smiling, stay healthy, stay safe, and always remember it's a very healthy habit, okay? Always wash your hand and tell everyone to do that, your friends and everyone, okay? Hope you enjoy the story. Again we will meet, okay? Bye bye. See you.